Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this guide, we are going to go through how to easily recover your SafePal wallet. Alright, so the very first thing you have to do is simply go ahead and grab your SafePal hardware wallet or open the SafePal mobile app on your phone. So if you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version to avoid any issues during the recovery process. So once you're on the home screen, you will then see two options, one that says create wallet and the other one that says recover wallet. So simply select recover wallet. And after that, you will then have to enter your recovery phrase. So this is the most important step. So you need your 12, 18 or 24 word recovery phrase that was generated when you first created your wallet. So make sure to enter these words in the exact order they were given. And if you've lost your recovery phrase, unfortunately, your wallet cannot be recovered. So always make sure to keep it safe. So once you've entered all the words, SafePal will then ask you to double check the sequence. So take your time here because any mistakes in the order or spelling will prevent the recovery from succeeding. So once you're extremely sure, you can then tap next. So after your recovery phrase is verified, you will then be prompted to set up a new password for your wallet. So this is crucial for securing your access. So make sure to choose something strong and unique. And also, go ahead and make sure you store this password safely. So after setting your password, your wallet should be fully restored. And you will now have access to all your assets and transaction history. So just as it was before. But here's a bonus step. To avoid this happening again, make sure to store your recovery phrase in a secure location. You might even consider backing it up in multiple locations, just never online or in any digital format for safety. And that's simply how to recover your SafePal wallet. So that's all we had for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe, and then we'll see you on the next one.